Good morning. Welcome back once again to one more chit chat with Mayur Sampath. I'm so blessed that it is now 15th day we have been meeting here continuously and going about with our morning routines. Now, these morning routines are helping us to improve in two ways. A, it is creating an habit. B, it is also been able to control our mind. Now, yesterday we discussed about conscious and unconscious, right? The conscious mind is the one which is basically you know controlling the whole thing, but the subconscious mind is the one who is doing all the work. Now, consciously, you want to go out, that is your intention. Go out for a walk, that is your intention. But your subconscious mind is not ready to get up. He said, no, sleep for some more time. Yesterday night you had woken, you had slept late, so I want some more rest. So subconscious mind is saying, no. Conscious mind is saying, you need to get up, you have to do this. And this war continues 24/7, 365 days. Now, how do you control your subconscious mind? How do you bring about a discipline? It is through a process. It is through continuously taking small step every day, little by little, and then it becomes a routine. And when it becomes a routine, that is when you have achieved a particular set of goals of controlling the subconscious mind. That becomes an habit. Now, most of the time, people are not even aware of what mistakes they are doing. They are not even aware that they are doing something which is not logical or not even worthwhile, but they still keep on doing the same mistake again and again and again and again. Now, that is definitely harmful to both the person and overall. But the person is not even aware of that problem. I'll give you an example. When we were young, okay, we had the habit of making fun, okay, masti karne ka hai. And then while we were coming back from the school, okay, while we were coming back from the school, what we were doing was we we used to make fun of Bajiwala. We used to make, whenever a person used to sit with his थैला, हम लोग 3-4 दोस्त लोग जाते थे, and just for the sake of fun, okay, we used to distract the person and then वहां से एक आध item उठा लेते थे, and then everybody would share that particular item. Okay, and that was like a fun activity. मजा आ गया, उसको हम लोग ने उल्लू बनाया, all that thing. But sometimes this type of activity becomes an habit, and the person who is doing that keeps on doing even while he gets to a particular age, even while he is doing quite well. Unknowingly, he continues to do this activity which is forbidden when you are matured enough. Now, there are so many such of activities which the subconscious mind has brought into our day-to-day routine, and that is the trouble. Now this trouble continues in almost all walk of life. Technically it is called cheating, but as far as we are concerned, we are 100% okay with that. But how it is possible that I am doing good, I am okay with everything, but this habit which was there just by of doing fun, just of doing fun during my school time has continued with me for so many long years. Now, how do you actually get out of this? The first thing is to be aware. Now, people even are not even aware that they are doing this. Even when they are aware, they are thinking, oh my, this is so masti mein. See, even today I have that skill. But hello, you need to develop skills which are good skills. But what we do is we have developed period of time unconsciously we are doing such activity which are not good for us. The same thing continues for our trading activity also, that we were not even aware of the same mistake which has been continuing for several years together. Okay, now this habit needs to be identified and needs to be corrected. So I have been coaching and mentoring many students, and what I noticed was that it is not their intention, but it has become an habit. Okay, and that habit is creating a big wall for their success. That wall needs to be broken to go to the next step, but unconsciously they keep on doing the same mistake again and again and again. One of the biggest mistake is over trading. Now when you are right, okay, you want to take that money home, and you will say, oh my god, I have completed my day's earning, and now as per my coach I don't need to take additional trades, and you happily shut down the machine. Now on the next day your trades have gone wrong, and you keep on sitting in front of the machine. I need to recover this, I need to recover this, I need to recover this, and you actually, by the end of the day, you notice that you were still wrong, but you have over traded and you are in a loss. Maybe you went green and you felt good about it, but when the bill came in, when the brokerage and everything was added, you ultimately still went in the red. But for that time being, you felt good about it. Oh my god, yes, I have done this, I came to green, but your account went to negative. Now this is a trail which happens to several of the people who are in this particular journey of stock market. Now this one issue, this is one of the issues which people keep on unconsciously doing it without any knowledge. This is one of the thing which needs to be stopped. To be aware of what wrong you are doing, to be aware that picking up that item from that thela wala is incorrect, to be aware that this practice of picking up slowly and steadily have been developed years together, and now it has become a wrong habit. Morally it is wrong, technically it is called as stealing, but you are not even aware, because that has become your routine, that has become your habit. So subconsciously it comes effortlessly. Same way, what we are doing in the market, that some part of the subconscious mind gets trained over again and again and again and again, and you are not even aware that this is my mistake. And that is where you need the coach, you need a mentor to help you to identify this particular thing. I had 3 mentors last year and 2 mentors this year to push myself to identify my weakness, to correct my weakness, to go to the next level. To achieve certain point, you need to go through that grind. New, New Year resolution is always fantastic for the first 7 days. You will go to Nike or Adidas and buy the best shoes. Okay, you will buy the fitness, all what you need, fancy things. So 7 days you are in the gym, and then some issue comes up, whether it is office related, whether it is work related, whether it is deadline related, whether it is family related, and you miss your gym. What happens? 3 months goes away, and you then realize, oh my God, 3 months have gone and nothing has happened, and I am not even going to the gym. Think about it. Have you done this previously, that you have set a resolution for yourself and that resolution was washed away? I am not saying you have done it purposely. What I want to push across to you is, it happens. Murphy law takes over. जो होना है वो होके ही रहेगा, whatever your intentions. But have you done it? Have you restarted the whole process once again? When you realize that this was the mistake I have done, I have not been going to the gym. See, unless and until you realize and then retake the action, correction course is not done, then everything is back to square one, zero. So by the year end, you will say, oh my God, 1 year has gone. Oh shit, I have not done. I have not even gone to the gym for a month also. Now, if you had the resolution with you, which was fantastic, you were motivated, but what happened? In between May, the Murphy law took over. Okay, you had the genuine problems. Okay, and that motivation got washed out. After that, you did not even felt like going to the gym. No, no, मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. And likewise, days go, week goes, month goes, years go away, and at the end there is only regrets and regrets and regrets. Back of your mind, that regrets now keeps on repeating. Now you tell me, even when I will motivate you, will you come out of that regret? No, right? So what is important is to identify what is going wrong and then take an correction towards that particular path, towards that particular goal, towards that particular way of going about, rather than having that regret of not making it. Okay, it becomes very important that when a ship leaves the port, now it cannot leave the port and not have a destination. If there is no destination, the ship will just go here and there in the ocean. Now it is up to you as a captain of the ship. You need to have a destination which will take you to from one place to another. The choice is always yours. What you want to do? Do you need to have that correction in place? Then take help. If you are not understanding where is your destination, then take help. If you are unable to identify what is going wrong, then you need to take help. Okay, but if you keep on doing the same thing again and again and again and again, what is going to happen is you are going to have that regrets, and period of years will bypass, and at the end, during the deathbed, you will have that pinch in your mind. Oh, only if I would have done this, I would have achieved that. So guys, become very important that you need to do correction in whatever wrong you are doing. Correction is always going to be a part and parcel of our morning routines also. So think today, what is the one thing which is not allowing you to go ahead? You need to think, you need to write down, what is that one thing which I need to correct? See, the morning routines are set for this particular purpose. The first thing is to conquer. First thing is to conquer and let it become a habit. You feel good about it. While we are doing this, you are alone, you are thinking. Most of the successful people are alone in the morning. They get up early morning. Why? Because they want to think. When there is no pit pat 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 happening, they are thinking, and then they are doing a correction to their habits, which can go miles together. So keep on correcting, even if it is a small thing and you need to correct that. Okay, consciously put an effort to do a correction. What I did for myself was, I take one thing at a time. Consciously, every day morning, I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. And slowly and steadily, it became a habit. And when it became a habit, okay, then I did not have to do the correction. So that helps. Now there will be some part which need help. So for that, the coaches are there who can guide you, help you. Now there will be some part where that correction may take long time, big efforts. You may feel frustrated. Oh my God, why I am doing this again and again? Why I am not getting it right? It is going to be a big effort. Believe me, sometimes tears come out. But when you are motivated, when you want to do this, nobody can stop you from that, because this is your life and you are the director, producer and actor of your life. So abhi interval hai, final movie, and the climax is still far off. Do some correction today, identify and make the best of it. Love you all. Take care. How many people over here? And let me thank everyone who have joined today. Angelo, Kunal, Nitin, Dr. Samir is also there. Love you, Samir. Dr. Vardhan is also there. So I am very, very happy that you have come in over here. Few of them are consistent, and I am pushing them to set their routine right. So guys, very important that you identify that small mistake you keep on doing. Don't make it a habit. And if you need help, I am there for you. But please learn to identify that small mistake you are doing again and again, which is not helping you to move forward. You need to go to the next step. Motivation alone cannot help. You need to do this. Okay. And if you continue to put little effort every day, consciously, and see the way it makes a hell of a lot of difference. So guys, thank you very much for joining in. This is Mayur Sampath signing off. कोरोना से बच लेना, अभी भी गड़बड़ चालू है, and now तो lockdown is there, so more time to you, more time to the family. Okay, अच्छा अच्छा घर पे बैठ के खाना खाना. Okay, and please take care of your family and yourself. Love you. See you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone want to share something, please?
Thank you, Mayur.
Yeah. Okay, then see you all. Bye bye. Take care.